so I'm going to be making rose petal jam, and I did make some rose petal jam with my Lillian Gibson roses, and it turned out wonderfully. It makes very, very small batches. There were some issues with that video, so I'm re-recording with some new roses that came from my parents. Thank you, Mom and Dad. We've got mostly some William Baffins here. And they look lovely, and they're a darker color, so I'm kind of excited to see how these turn out. Because there weren't a lot of them and my dad felt bad, I'm also going to be using some of his Seven Sisters roses petals as well. So first thing we need to do is remove the petals and weigh them so that I know how many we've got for the eventual recipe conversion, and then we'll wash them. So you could pluck off the individual petals. It's a little time consuming. My youngest discovered when we were doing this with the Lillian Gibson that if you gather all the petals together into kind of a clump and give it a gentle tug, you can get them all. The Seven Sisters is a little different style flower, obviously. And so instead of being able to grab and pull, that's just not going to work with these. You're going to just kind of grab a chunk and pull to the side, pull out. It'll separate nicely.
How much coverage do you want once they're in there?
An inch over.
Inch over, okay. How many do you think you'll need? 4 or 5, 6?
6 or 7.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. It won't heat up.
Whoa, it's amazing how quickly they lose their color. Holy cows. So first we add the sugar.
Uh-huh.
So see, it's...
Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's looking very...
But the petals are like...
slightly pinkish, you know? Yep.
The petals are not very...
Petals are white.
Actually, this is pretty impressive because the water for the Lillian Gibsons was pretty white.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
it looked really unappetizing.
Oh, okay.
But when you add the lemon juice,
Uh-huh.
color comes back.
Uh-huh.
Make sure that that's coated or dissolved.
Oh, yeah. It's already looking
Already
pretty.
looking really purpley.
Yeah. Ooh-wee. May have gotten a little richer, but man,
Yeah.
it was already pretty.
Well, I think it's
Impressively
the Seven Sisters have
Seven
so much
Sisters.
color,
Yep, yep.
but these are now purple again.
Ah, yes, yes. Mhm.
Petals lose all their color, but then they gain back when you put in the lemon juice.
Mhm.
I really want to stir. Can I stir?
What?
Can I stir?
Yes, you may stir. But it's very hot, so don't splash it on yourself. We're not aiming for a really strong set with this jam. It's a very soft jam, but you don't want it to be liquidy so it doesn't run off of things. So it's having a little bit of trouble, so I'm gonna try a minute at a boil. That'll often trigger the pectin and get the gelling going.